Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 1st, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another crappy day today, but it wasn't boring. And I'm actually, I don't know, for some reason I'm feeling a little optimistic because uh, uh, I like to see the Dow break out of this congested zigzag sideways pattern has been in that this is impossible to trade. And today we definitely had a breakout. It was to the downside, but I've said before, I honestly am not worried about a downside movement because I think it'll set us up for fairly good profit. So, anyway, believe it or not, I'm okay with today, but the statistics not real good. We had two positions coming in, and we closed those out negative $153. I would like to have stopped it right there. That didn't happen. We got into eight positions, three positive, five negative, and we're carrying negative $7,900 into tomorrow. So that was not real good. The problem that we had is you can see here the Dow opened positive, opened strong, looked like it was going to go higher, and then it totally reversed here 45 minutes into the day. Huge drop on that first 15-minute bar, and then it kept going. Look, tried to rally a little way down here at the bottom, and then last 15 minutes sold off, closing on its low, I believe. So, Dow is officially down 344 points. I haven't had a chance to check out news or something spooked the market right here, and it followed through. So, the problem for us was we got this thing at the beginning of the day, got us into three long positions. And those three stocks, a couple of them were new stocks for the October portfolio, then they were totally reversed. And by on the close, those three stocks were negative like $11,000 or something like that. So that's where our losses today were. If somehow we could have avoided buying those things up here, we would have had a pretty decent day because we have um, some stock positions that are going to do well in a down market, and they're in the portfolio precisely because of what happened today. Um, we get a massive sell-off. We're going to do really well in some of our stocks. We have two stocks which are basically short positions on the overall market. Then we have a lot of energy stuff that tends to move opposite of the market. And then we also have gold, and that also usually moves opposite of the market. So we get a massive sell off in the Dow here. We can still make money, or at least offset our losses. Okay, I, in spite of the bad day, I have a couple stocks I want to show you. Um, this first one is TVIX, which is essentially a short on the overall market. You say it's a short on the Dow, although that's not the stocks that it's following, but that's essentially what it's going to do. And you can see just like the Dow opened up, TVIX opened down, but then again on the same bar here, the third 15-minute bar, it just exploded topside. Well, the Dow third minute, 15-minute bar was going down. And we didn't actually buy it till about 3.5 hours into the day. We got it right here. It kind of hesitated at first, but then did move higher and closed there almost on its high. So we're up $1,700 in TVIX, and we have one other of these short market positions that we're carrying, although it didn't have as much money as TVIX did. And then finally, our best trade today. This is one of those energy things that tends to move opposite of the overall market. And this is the oil and gas exploration bear, or DRIP, DRIP. And again, that opened lower this morning, but then started moving higher. We got this about the second hour, and it never looked back and closed here almost on its high. And we are up $4,700 in DRIP. So that looks real good. Anyway, that's how it went. Not a boring day, at least. We'll see what happens tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off.